I can hear it start boiling now. It's going to be as hot as it is today. Another scorcher today. I ain't into it, but we got plenty of shade. We just going to have fine things that we can do, like going fishing. Fishing's always a good thing. You have fun and you get food. So, about where I'm at with fishing and do me a little bushcrafting here and there. I don't know. It's a little different than I'm used to. This is a developed site, but there's only 3 campsites in this whole little area. You got an outhouse, you got a grill, you got a fire pit with a grate, picnic table. It's a long ways from anywhere. To get in here takes some doing. But I should have been here 3 months ago. Got to put a damper on my party. That's all right. Just like I've said before, we improvise. Can't do one thing, we'll do another. Don't make me too happy, but that's the way it is. The way life goes sometimes. I knew it was going to be hot. Back in the day, that ain't been too long ago, I'd have been up on the mountain already. So we're going to have some coffee and blueberry oatmeal. And have a good morning. Breakfast of champions. Oatmeal and coffee. Come think of it, that was Wheaties with Bruce Jenner. It was Wheaties and milk. Come think of it, Caitlyn Jenner. Don't want to misgender. Pretty good. Wish I had a box of that Wheaties right now. I'd probably make a lot of money off of it on eBay. Come think of it, this would be a good commercial right now. Seattle's best coffee and some off-brand blueberry oatmeal. We're going to go fishing later on. Try to find some shade and catch a few trout. I'm going to show you how good this mountain maple burns. It's a hard wood. I haven't tried it yet, but I really think that it would be really good to smoke steaks with. Smoke about anything, actually. I mean, if that's what you got, that's what you got. There's a little bit of willow in the bottom of it. I just had it, so I broke it up and stuck it in there for little small sticks. Kindling. Fire starter. Move. You knew I was going to move over there. I'm pretty. This stuff is rock solid. It's good wood. It's good hard wood. I think it'd be really good at smoking steaks. Yeah, I do. It burns a long time. Watch this. This is awesome. The rest of this is mountain maple. Well, there you have it. I'm gonna have dinner. We didn't have a catch and cook tonight, but because I didn't catch any fish, but maybe tomorrow. From where my camp's at, you can't see most of these mountains. They're steep, that's for sure. That ain't even the top. That's about a third of it right there. That's a good deer shed area right there in the center. It goes down a lot. There's a lot of mahogany in there. Nice tall firs too. You can block out that sun, that morning sun. Big old fir trees. I love it. This is my area, people. Onyx won't do you no good in this area. Well, I guess it would, but I don't use Onyx. I don't have to. There's a good old boy that come up in here yesterday, and he left me a few worms. So I'm gonna be able to fell on my ass right there. But he left me a few worms, and I'm gonna see how many fish I can catch off of one worm. I believe I can catch about 6. This fish right here is what's called bull trout. They're illegal to take. So I'm going to throw him on back in. Seen the splash here. See if I can get another one. Another bull trout. Legal as hell to take. They're a threatened species in the state of Idaho. They're right there. Getting back in the water. They almost look like a brookie, except they got yellow dots instead of red. Man, buddy. Got him. Got him. Got him. He got away. He got away. I guarantee you what. I'm going to catch it again and he didn't get my bait. This time it's another one of them bull trout. Son of a bitches. Getting tired of catching them. Getting tired of catching them. One strong, long, I don't even know what I'm saying. One wrong strike, and I might not be able to put this video up. So, we'll see what happens. There's Waylon, everybody. So, I hope we're here tomorrow. This is a great swarm though. I gotta admit it. It's awesome, man. Awesome. Well, I'm gonna get back to eating. Whoa, here we go. One more. That's awesome there, boy. Woo! What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna collect some of this fir sap off this tree. Oh, it's gooey too. Look at that. They're right there. That's gooey stuff. A little bit of bark in there too to help it along. Don't take much. Won't take much. Anyway. We'll take that sap and dump it out right here. Watch this stuff flame up. There it is. Now watch. That sap's burning really good now. Started that little bit of small sticks right there. And I'm gonna add some more to it. Watch the fire up. That's about all it takes. Got her burning really good now. A little bit bigger wood now. This is some of that mountain maple I'm gonna cook with tonight. So there it is.